talk about it a lot, me and Honey Babe. We live in a place where, you know, we know a lot of people, we've made a lot of friends. The guy right there is the local fishing tour guide. He's the one, if you want to catch big fish, he'll take you out and show you where they're at. Of course, we got the fire department here, the church over there, and the old gas station over here. And if you go out that way, you'll head toward yonder. If you go that way, you'll head toward a different yonder. And if you go this way, you head toward altogether another yonder. We're going to another yonder direction this time. She is pretty peppy. I haven't really kicked it down much, you know, to kick it down in the passenger gear and open up the 4-barrel and all that, but I can tell she's pretty peppy, and she sounds and feels good. This car's got the right feel to it to me so far, and it's just going to get better when I get power brakes and power steering on it. All that stuff is just going to be better. That's the old church back there. They built a new one now up the road here on the other side of the road. Now the road up here at the end of this one, I'm not exactly sure where it goes. It heads toward my road, but I don't know of a paved road that comes out on my road out in the direction of that, so I think I might take that road and just see where it goes. That's one of the things that's kind of fun to do if you live in a place where you don't know all the roads. Just get the cool car and go start driving the back roads, you know, and you can kind of test out your car at the same time you drive around and see some new places. Maybe if you're lucky, get to meet a few new people and all that, you know, too. I'm willing to bet that turns into a gravel road down here just a little bit. We might go down and see. See that road. I saw Rick came out over next to my road the other day. Let's go see where this road goes. That's the end of the road, right there. Okay. Well, now I know where that road goes. It may be that dirt road goes somewhere toward my house, but it looks like it goes through somebody's field. I don't want to drive through somebody's field, so we'll leave that right there. This is a feel for it transmission. I saw somebody selling one of them transmissions that goes click, 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 you know, the other day. Bolts to the floor. Probably has a belt, a cable drive. And I was thinking, well, that'd kind of be nice, because like when I go to ship this, I always have to be super careful so I don't accidentally run it into a reverse or something like that, you know. If you had one of them clicky gear things where you had to wiggle it to get it to go to reverse and all that, that would be good, probably. So, I don't know. I kind of keep my eye open for something like that. I watch Marketplace for bargains. If I see something that looks like I might could afford it. Of course, right now I couldn't afford to pay for steam off a free hot lunch. But you know, sometimes I run across a little money somewhere along the way, and something good happens. The Lord blesses me extra. And sometimes I get a little something extra, and I can spend it on, you know, this and that. It don't happen all the time, but it does sometimes. What I like about a 350 is you can downshift it. Of course, that'll heat the motor up more too. It's kind of what I'm trying to do is test out the motor, see how much heat I can get into it before it becomes a problem. Oh, I see rain coming. Thank you.